I'm going to give you the exact daily trading routine that I use in my own portfolios. It's very consistent and very profitable. So let's get into it step by step. So this is just an example of an old position that we've got on. We're going to look at a new position today, but you want to open up a watch list first of all of futures with options available to trade on them. If your broker doesn't display this automatically for you, copy these tickers, make your own custom watch list. Make sure you've got IVR on your watch list. Order your watch list from high to low IVR. You only want to look at things to trade with an IV rank of at least 30. Anything over 30 is fine. We are going to have a look at ZB right now, the 30-year Treasury bond. It has a super high IV rank of 110 because of everything that's going on in the markets. An absolute IV percentage of 11%. So let's look into that. You want to pull up a list of option expiration dates and you want to pick one that's between 30 and 60 days out. So there's one here, 46 days, May 23rd, which we're going to open up. And now you want to select 20 delta strikes. So on the call side, you're going to go to the 20 delta, select this strike at the 124. You're going to go to the put side and you're going to select this strike at the 19. That's the closest to 20 that we've got, at the 113 strike. And now we're going to be selling one call, one put. And whenever you're selling or short a contract, you want price to stay away from that contract. So what we want price to do, this is where price is right now in the middle. We want price to stay within this range, okay? And we have a pop here of 81%, which means probability of profit of 81%. There's an 81% chance of making money on this trade, okay? Our P50 isn't displayed for futures, but it's about 10 to 15% higher than your pop. So you're looking at an 85-90% chance of getting out of this position at 50% of max profit, which is what you want to do. You want to get out at 50% of max profit. And our max profit is 1,375. So you want to get out 50% of that number. So we're going to collect 1,375 up front. Our broker is going to require $3,500 in buying power to open the trade. So as you can see, we are getting a little under a 50% return. This is in 46 days. Super high win rate. Very nice return on capital. You want to do this over and over again. Get as many occurrences in your portfolio as you can. Eliminate short-term variance. Keep your buying power in check. You can buy some wings if you really wanted to. Let's just say you go $2 out. You can buy some wings to cover your shorts. This is now a defined risk position. You'll collect $500 up front, and your broker is going to require $584 in buying power. So we're getting almost a 100% return on our capital here. And in exchange for this higher return on capital, our pop has dropped a little bit by about 5-6%. So if that's a trade-off you want to make, which is definitely not a bad trade-off, if you have a smaller account in particular, there you go, that's the setup. Now, you want to replicate this as many times as you possibly can over as many trades as you can. Keep your buying power in check. We have a free position sizing template. The link is in the description. Click on the free position sizing template. Enter in your portfolio information. Say if you have a $25,000 portfolio, you can then enter in the VIX. So say if it was 32.8. Everything's going to be calculated for you. In this instance, this is a defined risk position, $584 in buying power. For a defined risk position, the maximum amount to allocate is 1,250. So this would actually be perfectly fine to put inside your portfolio. You could maybe even be, widen out your wings a little bit, use a bit more buying power, collect a bit more premium, get a bit higher pop, and that would also fit inside your portfolio as well. So get this. It's free. Get a copy of it. There's also a link for EDS Premium in the description. Get yourself signed up if you want to learn more about what we do and how we do it. You will have access to this exact portfolio that I showed you in this video. There's also a full course inside, so no prior knowledge is required. It's a private community, so we will teach you everything you need to know from start to finish. 100% money back guarantee as well. So after 6 months of being inside, once you've been through the course, follow some of our trades. If you're not profitable, we'll work with you for free until you are, or you can request a full refund. So it is completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join. The price will be increasing. Once you're in, it's locked in for you, so you are rewarded for getting it early. The aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We do not want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill. And once you've learned it, no one can take it from you, and it'll take about 6 to 12 months to get to that point of where you are completely self-sufficient. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.